Our new concept, sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. So in exercise, first exercise, last questions we solved with adding x, y, z, means here x, y, z are the exterior angles and we got the answer 360 degree. Recall your first exercise. And in the second case also we added w, x, y, z, that time also we got 360 degree. By these two problems we conclude that the sum of measures of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. So if you add any exterior angles, all exterior angles of the polygon, you will get 360 degree. So here they explained one example also. In front of that they give one figure, just to observe the figure. So they given three exterior angles, 50, 110, 90 degree, another one is x. So by this property we got that if you add all exterior angles you will get the 360 degree. So here x plus 90 plus 50 plus 110 is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so 90 plus 50, 140, 140 plus 110 you will get 250. 250 plus x is equal to 360, and if you take 250 to right side it becomes minus, and x will be 360 minus 250, you will get 110. So x value will be 110. So like this type of problems you will get in the exercise. Again, second example, find the number of sides of a regular polygon. What is a regular polygon? Which having the equal sides as well as equal angles, whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. Okay, so here we are having the exterior angles measuring 45 degree. Okay, so our property, that is total measure of exterior angles is 360 and exterior angle is 45. So if you divide 360 by 45, we will get the sides of that polygon. So here 360 by 45 they dividing. So if you divide you will get here 8. So that polygon has the 8 sides. Okay, so it means the sum of exterior angle should be divisible by any angle, then only we will get the number of sides of that polygon. Okay, or else in reverse order the angle should be the multiple of 360 degree, then only we will get the sides of that polygon. So let's do the exercise now. Now coming to the exercise 4.2, here in the first question they given two figure. We have to find the x value where it is an external angle. So in first figure here they given triangle with three exterior angle. Okay, just we got the sum of the measures of external angles of any polygon is 360. So if you add these three angles you will get 360 degree. So that is first one is 125 plus again 125 plus x, we will get here 360 degree. Okay, reason is sum of external angles. So 125 we will get here 250 plus x equal to 360. So x equal to 360 minus 250. So x value will be 360 minus 250, we will get here 110 degree. So x value is 110 degree. Same thing apply here also in second figure. Okay, again, but here they didn't mention the angle, but they given one symbol, that is square symbol. What is this square symbol? So it gives us 90 degree. Keep in mind that is a square symbol gives us 90 degree. So now we got all 5 external angles here, 70 plus x plus 90 plus 60 plus again 90. How much we will get? We will get here 360 degree. Now add them. 70 plus 90, 160, 160 plus 60, 220, 220 plus 90, it will be 310. So x plus 310 equal to 360 degree. So x equal to 360 minus 310 gives us x equal to 50 degree. Okay, so this is our answer. In the second question, we have to find the exterior angle of a regular polygon of having the sides 9 sides and having 15 sides. So it is very simple, just you have to divide it by 360 degree. Here we will get the exterior angle. 360 by 9 we will get here 9 1s are 9 4s are 36 and 0 is there, so it will be 40 degree. So our exterior angle will be, exterior angle is 40 degree. Same thing here also, 15 sides they given, so divide it by 360 divided by 15. Okay, so here how much you will get? 15 ones are 15 2s are 30 and remaining 6, it becomes 60. So here 4s are 60. So our answer will be 24 degree. So here also you have to write exterior angle is 24 degree. Understood how to find the angle when they given the sides? Just you have to divide 360 by given sides. Now third question, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an external angle is 24 degree? Okay, so just it is reverse of the second question. Here again you have to divide the 360 degree by 24, you will get the number of sides. Okay, just you do it yourself. And fourth one, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? Okay, in third question they given exterior angle, so you directly divided it by the 360 divided by the external angle. But here fourth question they given interior angles. What you have to do? You have to find the exterior angle, afterwards divide 360 by that external angle, you will get the number of sides. So given interior angle is 165, then external angle will be how much? So it will be 180 minus 165. Why I took 180? Because if you add internal and external, you will get the 180 degree. That is linear pair. So now minusing it from 180, so 180 minus 165, here we will get 15 degree. Okay, so exterior angle is 15 degree, then divide 360 by 15. So here we will get 15 ones are 15 2s are 15 4s are, so 24 sides. So number of sides are 24. Fifth question, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Okay, so what you have to do? You have to find the sides of that polygon. Is it possible to divide 360 by 22? So it's not possible. So if you try to divide 360 by 22, so you will not divide it perfectly. Okay, so that's why it is not possible to have that type of regular polygon which having the external angle as 22 degree. Similarly, can it be an interior angle of regular polygon? Okay, so that one also we will not get, because if you take 22 as interior, then exterior will be 180 minus 22, so that will be 158, which is not divisor of 360 degree. So that's why we can't get interior angle of a regular polygon as 22 degree. Now sixth one, what is the minimum interior angle possible for the regular polygon and why? Okay, so minimum interior angle, where you will get the very small polygon which having the only least sides, which is that is nothing but our triangle. So if you take the triangle as a regular polygon with the least sides, then we will get the interior angles as 60 degree in the equilateral triangle. Okay, so it will be the very least interior angle of regular polygon. Now the second option, that is B, what is the maximum exterior angle? So already we know the minimum, then maximum will be how much? 180 minus 60. So here we will get 120 degree as our maximum exterior angle